If you want to get a new quick settings panel on Google Pixel 10a, then in that case what you can do is you can use a third-party app that allows you to get the new quick settings panel or the control center. Usually you can just go to the Play Store and you can try to find any app that allows you to do so. So if you search for control center or quick settings, you can find many example apps that in theory should be able to grant you the new access to new panel, to the new design. And let's say I'm gonna use this app over here, because why not? Let's install it and let's see how we can set it up. Of course, different apps contain different things that you can do with these control center panels and how they look like and how they work and so on and so forth. But generally speaking, the idea is that you can just simply use a third-party app. Let's close the premium offer. Over here we need to grant some permissions in here so that the panel can work flawlessly. So let's enable everything that we are required to do. There we go. Of course, you might see some ads in the meantime. Alright, so let's keep going. Let's keep enabling other stuff like notification access in here. Alright. Some other permissions needed, so tap on setting. I believe over here we need to go to the app battery usage, then allow background usage, and we have to set it to unrestricted if I'm not mistaken. Notification permission to display notifications. Okay, so actually we need to go to notifications and we need to turn it on. So the previous thing that I did with the battery usage, I guess I didn't have to do that, so that's my bad. Alright, now that we have it enabled, let's see if it works, and it seems that it does. We have a new style. And if you like it, then of course you should be able to use it quite easily. We can also go to the layout in order to customize it a little bit. You can also, of course, try to use any other app if you don't like the style of it. So if you're not happy with that, you can get anything else. But in this case, this is how it works. And there we go. As you can see, we can swipe down in order to see the new style. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.